Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to report education expenses on Turbotax in 2025. And this is going to be a very quick video. We're not going to waste much time. I'm just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump into it. Now the first step, of course, is going to be to gather necessary documents. So make sure you go ahead and collect your education expense documents, including your form 1098T. Now once you have those documents, go ahead and sign into your Turbotax account. You can do that on Turbotax website, and just sign in with your username, your email address, and your password. And once you signed into your Turbotax account, you're just going to select the tax year that you want to report your education expenses for. Next thing to do is to choose deduction, and then you're going to select education expenses as your deduction type. Next, you're going to enter your total education expenses, including tuition, fees, and course materials. Once you've entered all that, you're going to claim any related credits, such as the American Opportunity Tax credits, or the lifetime learning credits. Go ahead and claim that. And the final step is going to be to review your education expense report, just to make sure that everything is accurate. And if it is, go ahead and submit it to the IRS, and they're going to take care of the rest from there. That's pretty much it on how to report education expenses on Turbotax in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys